Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the swipe gesture in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it opens up in the chat list where we have the conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, and then we have to tap on the settings. And in settings, we find chat settings. We tap on that, and then scroll down, and we find chat list view. We find chat list swipe gesture. And here we have a few options. We can scroll this on the right side. We can change it to change folder, pin, read, archive, mute, or delete. So these are the functions that we can select. And yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.